Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a playground. Please do remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested to see what we do with this build, wait until the very end of the video when we add it to Mini City. This playground features a swing set, a seesaw, a merry-go-round / roundabout, monkey bars, and of course, the main attraction, this awesome fun playhouse with a slide. This is the amount of space required to make the playground, and here are all of the materials that we will need throughout the build. Begin by placing 3 light blue concrete on top of each other. 1, 2, 3. Extend forwards by 3. 1, 2, 3. Right by 3. 1, 2, 3. Back by 3. 1, 2, 3. And then extend across. Join each one of the remaining corners of the platform down to the ground, like so. We now want to fill the platform in using yellow concrete, and we want to make 2 entrances. One is on the back right hand side. We want to replace this light blue concrete here with a yellow and place an oak door on top. We then want to come to the opposite side of the platform, destroy this light blue concrete, and mark this out with a lime concrete. We then want to build up the walls of the platform. So begin by placing a layer of yellow concrete all the way around on top of the light blue concrete. On the front and back of the build, we want to place a glass pane in these 2 positions. Then we want to build yellow concrete around this, 2 rows high, so that we wrap around the tops of the windows and also the entrances. So of course we want to leave a 2-row gap here, and we have one with the door as well. The end result should look like this. Then place oak trapdoors left and right of the glass windows. We then want to place yellow concrete on the front and the back of the walls directly in the center. And then red concrete along the side of the playhouse, extending all the way up to the top and on top of the yellow concrete that we've just made, and down the opposite side, like so. And then we are going to extend the red concrete 1 row forwards on the front and 1 row backwards on the back. So we will end up with this, which looks really weird. But on the right side of the build, we are going to extend this yellow concrete outwards, and again, but also left. Then we are going to place light blue concrete around the little mini platform that we've made, and place some glass pane around it as well. Then connect the yellow concrete down and to the ground diagonally, like so. Extend light blue concretes forwards and diagonally down to the ground like this, either side of the yellow concrete, just like that. And then on the opposite side we have a slide, so we are going to extend this lime concrete outwards 1, 2, forwards 1, and then we are going to extend down to the ground diagonally. Then we want to place lime concrete around the edge of this, and then on the outsides diagonally extending all the way down to the ground like so. Dig this block out, and then around it, and replace these blocks with lime concrete like so. And then if we place a water here, we should just flow nicely down into the ground. So we effectively have a working slide. Next, in the back right corner of the build, we want to, from this corner block here, extend inwards diagonally 1, 2, and then place 3 red concrete on top of each other. 1, 2, 3. Extend forwards by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down. And then, parallel to this, leaving a gap of 1, we want to make the exact same shape. And then place end rods in between the top layer of red concretes like this, and there you have monkey bars. All the way over in the opposite corner of the playground, we once again want to, from this corner block, extend inwards diagonally, 1, 2, and then place 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, light blue concrete on top of each other. Extend backwards by 4 using red concrete, 1, 2, 3, 4, light blue concrete on the end, extend down. Then take the 2 middle red concrete blocks and place 2 sets of 2 chains below, and then smooth quartz slabs underneath the chains to make a swing set. Next, we want to count to the right of this block here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, on top of this block, a yellow concrete, 1 to the right. Then, we want to place open warped fence gates like this in the center. So you can have them placed this way, or you can reverse that depending upon which you think looks better. I am not 100% sure, but this might be my favorite configuration. It's up to you though. Anyway, we then want to place string either side of the yellow concrete with red carpet on top. So you can make this a little bit longer if you like. I probably wouldn't go longer than 3, but 2 I think is a nice sweet spot. Next, come to the front right hand corner of the playground and extend inwards diagonally 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Then place a lime concrete, left of it a light blue, behind a yellow, and right a red concrete. We then want to place upside down smooth quartz stairs all the way around the 4 colours. We then want to pick 2 of these colours to extend upwards. My vote is light blue and red concrete. You can actually choose any combination as long as they're diagonal to each other. Then we are going to place an open crimson fence gate along one corner and an open warped fence gate along another corner, like this. Then we want to place a powered rail next to the red concrete and a powered rail next to the light blue. So now we have to excavate underneath the merry-go-round, or roundabout, depending upon what you want to call this. It doesn't really matter, it's up to you. And we have to place a torch underneath the raised blocks. So on this side, we want to place one underneath the light blue. And on this side, we are going to excavate, destroy the red concrete underneath, and place a torch here. So that will, of course, power the 2 powered rails. Then we can connect the powered rails together using regular rails like this. Place a minecart on here, and if you give it a little shove, it will naturally rotate around the roundabout. So depending upon whether you like the noise or not, you might want to leave that going, or maybe just place it on one of the regular rails, ready for when we want to actually give this thing a spin. Next, we are going to place a small bench. This is opposite the seesaw. From the grid, we want to leave a gap of 1, and then here is where we will place 2 spruce stairs, once again parallel to the yellow concrete, and then spruce trapdoors flipped up next to the bench like this. And there we go, that is a pretty complete playground. And all that remains is for us to add a border of smooth slab all the way around the edge of the playground. And then we can dig out the entire area of grass and replace it using sand. Another alternative is to use some cyan terracotta. I think that also looks good as well. However, that is your own personal choice. You know, if I could go back in time, I would 100% add the sand before anything else. And that is the playground complete. All that we have left to do is add this to Mini City, and I have the perfect place for it. I think the best place for the playground is right next to the suburbs. First of all, we are going to make a field with a path that extends around it, and then right away as we exit the suburbs at the end of the cul-de-sac, we are going to have the playground. And that's it. I do hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I really do hope that you are enjoying watching Mini City grow. I certainly am. This is a really fun project to work on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.